if you download it, create your password, did the selfie, and created the wallet. Okay, you're ready to start mining. Okay, and when you do that, if you want to do what Tim's video has, and you just scan QR codes and not do it manually, this is the button. It's in the middle of the app. All right. Some of this stuff is going to change. We are upgrading this all the time. Okay, so all you would do is press this button here in the middle, and then you open either a separate PC, a laptop, iPad, or even another phone, and you go to YouTube, go to bees.social or BeesSocialTV, subscribe, and click on the QR code video. You just click on the video. That's it. There are currently 47 QR codes to scan. They will appear between 2 to 6 seconds. Okay, and you can pause the video if it's too fast. Pause it. Scan the QR code. Make your money. All right. After clicking on the QR icon over here, that's what it'll look like. When you click on this, this is what it'll look like. All right. You just let the video play, and when that QR code pops up, it'll automatically go to this portion where it says confirm. Let me go over here a little bit. This is what it'll say: confirm your scan. It'll be a blue button right now. Okay. And when you do that, you have literally connected with the Opes chain. And for doing that, we're rewarding you by creating activity with us. We're rewarding you with cryptocurrencies. Okay. And then all you'll do is close and get ready to scan the next QR code. And you just do that because congrats, you're mining right now. You are creating money by your activity. And like I said, if you understand anything about how mining worked with any of the other stuff where you needed these huge servers, that's incredible. And like I said, this isn't hype. This is real, because what I'm telling you with this, by using us, turning it into this new M2 money, this is real spendable money. You're going to be able to spend it just like anything else, just like dollars on your phone.